Hey there, my name is Tonya Powers, and I'm the Economic Development Director for the Franklin County Industrial Building Authority, located here in the county seat in Carnesville, Georgia, right in the center of Franklin County. And today I'm super excited about the guest that we have, and just listening to her story of Franklin County. Cindy Ruckstuhl, who was the former controller over at Latex Co. Cindy served as the controller there for quite some time. But the beauty of this whole story, which I love, is start to finish, right? And we don't hear a lot of times about the beginning, the middle, and the end.
The company decided to come to Franklin County because of all of the good benefits that they were promised, and they were really delivered. So there were some tax abatements. There was some very nice personalities that were also very knowledgeable. And some of the things that were helpful were the soft things like, hi, how are you doing? How's your day going? How is the business going? But there were also the really hard issues, like when the COVID came around and we needed a PPE loan, we were able to call any business help that we needed.
I remember you guys went through an expansion.
We did. We had 75,000 square feet. No, we had 100,000 square feet, and we expanded to almost 200,000 square feet. Also, these people knew the people in the town, and they knew all that. There's a core group here in this area that are quite good business people, but yet down to earth and very personable. So it was just everybody wanted the best for the business, and it came from the development board too. Was just like, here's what our intent is, here's our goal, and here's what we want to happen. So I would just say that organization has a good business model, and it's very helpful for businesses. I would strongly recommend anyone to come to this county that wants to have a viable, good business.
A lot of times I think when people think incentives, they're like, oh, you're just giving stuff away. No, our incentives, first of all, like our location is an incentive because of where we're strategically located, but not just that, but like our people are a given incentive. You're gonna get that. It's like, no, we know that you're gonna come here and do business here, but from the beginning to the middle to the expansion to, navigating through COVID, which y'all did so well. And then even when it was like, hey, we're giving the keys back, like we're having to move out of the building now, and we're having to, our location's having to close shop here in Georgia in Franklin County. We knew that, like, that was a loss. Who are we gonna have coffee with, Cindy? In the morning, like we knew that was such a loss. We gotta somehow like keep our people, and so we're thankful that we get to. But it was the whole process, right? The start to finish, and fortunately we've not had to see a lot of that. The unfortunate part is that the story still ended so well, and that you guys were top notch. Your building, the construction, everything in that building is turnkey right now, and we know that we'll land another industry in there.
I think that the support we had was great, and I think that when we ended up at the end knowing that COVID and the Ukraine war had done in our pre-financer parents, that this is the way it had to go. And you are in a great location. I-85, which is like just a really great location. The lake here and everything, and the town is growing. A lot of our employees did find new jobs. There's good jobs here for them, but again, we want somebody to come in there that will really be good for the county.
Right. But I really appreciate you taking some time and just, it's not about us telling our story, and it's not about the authority and the IBA the Industrial Building Authority telling their story, or the county. It's about the people that make this community great.